If everyone in the organization understands that we're trying to provide more value to our customer than perhaps we take back, then as our customer succeeds and expands, then we will succeed and expand as well. GroundProbe is an Australian company that started 24 years ago. We were radar engineers and we were working in some applications in defense. And we had this aspiration to use the best of radar technology in defense applications, but to move it into a civil application. We thought, what is the best industry that Australia might benefit from this technology that can measure very, very small movements? And the logical industry in Australia was in mining. In the mining industry, walls or mine slopes fail every hour, and our solutions and technologies provide warning of hours, sometimes days or even weeks prior to that collapse to allow the mine to be able to move people away safely and equipment, also to be able to help the slope to not fail or to allow it to fail safely so they can then go back and mine again, which improves the sustainability of the mine. We combined a radar image, which was quite complicated, with a visual image, which is quite easy, and we were able to overlay those two images so that the mine could see that what the radar was showing as being movement or instability was located very clearly on a visual image. And that enabled the mines to be able to understand exactly where the slope was moving and what they could do to be able to ensure that their operation can remain safe. The world will need more resources to be able to have sustainable living, sustainable energy, construction for urbanization. There's no doubt that more minerals will be required. The challenge of the world is that they need to be able to mine that sustainably, safely, ecologically, without destructing or damaging the environment. So part of the GroundProbe solution helps mines to be able to do that by mining more effectively and more sustainably. The design process was actually quite simple. We had a number of our customers actually come and meet with us. And when we were talking about radar technologies and radar output, the customers were saying, that's all nice, but if you can show us whereabouts in the wall that's moving, maybe you can use a visual camera. So we were able to co-design or co-create the solution with the customer. So actually having the customer in the room, exploring how we can bring a solution that meets their needs. That's the secret. If you have a design-led approach, which is articulated around the customer focus, the customer intimacy, putting the customer at the center, if our customer is successful, then we're successful.